Welcome to BTBS. It is Jay. Today we will create README file and Ansible Galaxy Role. The first of all, I'm gonna create README file. README. To write Markdown file easily, I'm going to install some plugins. I installed two plugins, Markdown All-in-One, Markdown Preview Enhanced. This plugin make our life much easier. I'm going to show you how we can use that plugin. Let's start to fill out README file. I already prepared whole content in here, so I'm gonna copy and paste here. It looks not bad, but if we can see it as a HTML style, it would be better. So I'm going to open Preview tab that is provided by plugin. Then we can see the preview of the file right away. It is synchronized all the time. We will create meta file that is for Galaxy Role. Ansible Galaxy use the metadata to provide information to many people. So first, I'm gonna create a folder meta. After create a directory, I will create a file that should be main.yaml file, and I already prepared that as well. So copy, paste. So my Galaxy role name is KVM provider OKD, and author name, the description, company name. It is optional. This is not here. Next, license. I'm gonna use default one. Minimum Ansible version. We should use 2.7 because we use the Yum latest module. So we specify 2.7. There is error, I fix it. Okay. So platform, Fedora, and Galaxy tag. This is about KVM and OKD, so I write it down KVM OKD. There is no dependencies. Go to my Git repository. I'm gonna create a new one. Here. It's public. README? No. License. We have license here. BSD. And click create repository. We created Git repository. So first we need to copy this URL, and I will go to terminal. Okay. Go to D drive, Git, and the role. Just in case, I'm gonna back up this one to BAK. Alright. Okay, we have two. And first we go inside this folder. Then git init and git remote add origin, and this one. Now git status. We are ready to send it. Git. So first we add all and git commit -m initial update upload, and then git push. We will set it this one. In my case, git, then it asked me my credential. Okay, we pushed our source, and now we are ready to create Ansible Galaxy Role. Let's go to Ansible Galaxy here and log in. I will use GitHub ID. Okay, let's see my content. There are several my content, and I'm gonna add new one. OKD. Okay, there we go. Click OK. So now Ansible Galaxy importing my new repository, and it's done. It's easy. Okay, let's see inside. Okay, this content scope is new feature. It's first time to see. So when I see detail, in my case, I use several command line and shell, and it doesn't change anything. So I don't care about this syntax score. Next, we will create the playbook, and we will push it my own repository. So here is my own repository, Ansible cheat sheet, and I already created this sample playbook. So first, open this README file and see it with preview. This playbook README is almost same as role README. Only different thing is it explains how to execute this playbook. If you follow this command line, then you can get KVM. We will use this plugin to push Git, add, commit. Okay. No, we need to push. Looks good. It is first time to use this plugin to push my source to my repository. So let's go back to my repository, then check it out. So my repository, okay, looks good. Let's check it out. Here, okay, here you go. It's time to test Playbook. First, I need to go to Fedora 28. Okay, go to my temp directory. There are a lot. Test OKD. All right. And then I'm going to clone my repository. We'll see it's clone. All right. And then go to Ansible Playbooks and Ansible Playbook KVM. Okay. And then I will follow the README. First, download. Okay. Now we can do Ansible Playbook. Okay, looks great. So we create KVM, network, storage, and test. So everything working fine.